If your cryptocurrencies are not moving and you're not making money with that, then you are a noob. When I was a small dog, I used to trade Bitcoin dollar pair and cryptocurrencies dollar pair. But sometimes the dollar pair is not doing shit and you're just stuck not making money. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to profit with pairs that compare crypto with crypto itself. And also, I'm going to show you a lot of good opportunities to enter right now and put your money in and make some money choose. Just remember, I'm not your fucking financial advisor, and if you lose money, it's your own fault. Use stop loss and check yourself to see if you agree that those trades are just going to do good. Gold is my baby. First trade. Gold is an excellent opportunity right now. Gold just did on the monthly. Let me show you a cup and handle pattern, right? And that cup and handle pattern is a very strong pattern that accordingly to the literature tends to go on the upward movement like majority of the times. So what's the target of this cup and handle? That would be something around $2,000 per ounce. My line is showing 2,600, but obviously I'm going to consider that level. Do you see this blue level right here? Let me zoom the fuck in so we can see that on my chart. I would definitely consider on my analysis, you have to trust your own chart. If you see a level, well, the level is there. That's how it works. So I would say something around 2,500, but I would definitely close my trade before that level. So $2,400 per ounce of gold. That is fundamentally very fucking possible. Okay, so let's look at the monthly volume and we see that there is a lot of space for that growth to happen. Very meaningful. I have no doubt that gold is going to perform very well. So what have I been doing? I have been trading gold on a 100x leverage, okay, in a weekly base. So my chart here is working very well. So I'm going to show you how I'm trading my chart. Okay, so I've been putting shorts and longs. You see that this is this is a fib fan, and that would be like a conservative trend line, but this trend line here that I've put here is kind of a special one because it comes from more than 70 years trend line. So it's very interesting. And what the fuck is that? Is that an EMA? So I'm not having any doubts that we're going to cross that thing here. We're going to at least, because that was on the monthly, okay? So in a couple months, yeah, this is right where I put my, remember I was showing you a target. So this is exactly what I want to, yeah, December 2021. So by the end of the year of 2021, to the beginning of the next year, gold is just going to jump like a motherfucker. So what do I want to do? Valuable tips for you to trade. I don't know how your exchange work, but pay attention on that. If you're trading leverage, right, then you're paying fees if you're buying. If you're selling, you're making money. It's very good. But if you're buying, okay. There is a cryptocurrency that is equivalent to the price of gold, okay? And that crypto is the PAX gold, okay? So PAX, which the ticker is PAX cheap, and you can buy spot, and as we are right now in a very delicate level for gold, because look at that, we're making you can realize that we're making lower lows and lower highs in this range here, okay? Let me just in this range here, but that arm is linked to that movement here. Look at the move. So that is merely a correction, and on the daily, it even looks like a bull flag to me, okay? Super bullish. So I'm buying spot on that stable coin, okay? And if I use leverage, I'm going to go with 3x or something for a couple of weeks, but then I expect to hold that trade to the beginning of 2022, or at least the end of 2021. So I'm going to put a greater sum of money. Gold is a very conservative investment. If gold is showing months old, like 10 months, if I'm not mistaken, 10 months to make a ultra bullish pattern, you can be damn sure that money is going to flow to the commodities. And by that time, how much crude oil is going to be worth, and how much stocks will have pumped, and how much our different Bitcoin will be by that time. I'm extremely bullish right now. Some people are asking me personally if this is a good time for entering Bitcoin, as in right now. And I would say that no, not because I'm not bullish on it, but because we just had a very big non-organic pump, as I showed on previous videos, why it's non-organic. And right now, we can still see Bitcoin trade at 33,000 levels. And if I was supposed to be more pessimistic, the 30,000 levels again. So these would be good levels to get in. I would get in a little bit if it touches here. I would get in a little bit if it touches here. And I would not regret if you do not enter right now and you see mega pump. Because if you see mega pump again, you will see resistances here, you will see resistances here, and then you're going to see dips, and then you can get in. Okay, that's my personal opinion on Bitcoin right now. And a lot of people say, get in, because anytime you get in, you won't regret, just hold. But that's kind of a, because you have to sell on tops, you have to buy it lower. And right now, I cannot assure you that we're going to hold those levels, immediately. We may. But there are, as I've been showing you, other options for you to put your money in right now. And you can even do trades that will swap a coin, a crypto coin, for another one. So, as in right now, I would suggest, if you have some cash, that you buy some Cardano instead of Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin's conservative, yeah, very nice, cool, pioneer, but Cardano. So that's when I want to show you the trade number too. If you are trading the pairs, for example, Bitcoin, dollar, and then you go to the XRP and then you trade the XRP dollar, you may get a little bit bored if, for example, from March 20 to August 20, okay, we were on the 15 to 22 cents. And if you checked the pair XRP BTC, you would see a little bit more of fun action here. You see? Okay. Realize this is just an example. I'm taking XRP, but that was a very poor example for me. But what I want to say is right now, the pair ADA Cardano dollar is not doing much. It is going up a little bit, but it is in a state in which it's not very good for you to get in right now, because we just had a mega pump and then we're just in an undecisive moment, and it's a risky trade. Why would you want to enter? I ask you, I mean, it's better for you to avoid risk than just risk it and then regret. A lot of people say, yeah, but scared money don't make no money, but also irresponsible trades make you lose fucking money. And that doesn't make sense, right? So look at this range here, and then we can we just broke it again. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, but just for you to learn, I'm just trying to make you understand how you can play with your money, avoiding risks and doing more smart strategies. Okay, so I have a lot of money, I want to buy Bitcoin right now. Okay, Bitcoin can just dump on you a little bit, and you're going to see your portfolio bleed when you could just have entered before. So look at that. There is a trade called, there is a feature on most exchanges called margin trade. And what do? You will, this can sound very simple for you if you're an experienced trader, but a lot of people that are beginning, a lot of small dogs, they don't know about it. They don't trade that way. They only see the dollar pair with the cryptocurrencies, and then they will buy when they see it's worth less dollars. That's a good thing, but you have to look at oversold opportunities. And what I want to show you right now is that the pair ADA Cardano Bitcoin is oversold, okay? I saw that on several exchanges 3 days ago. It looked oversold on Binance, Qcoin, Bitfinex, Fimex, like everywhere. Cardano was oversold everywhere compared to the Bitcoin. So what do? You go to margin trade, you borrow Bitcoin, you get Bitcoin borrowed from the exchange, and you buy ADA. You buy Cardano with that Bitcoin. Okay, then you go and do the swap, Cardano Bitcoin. So look, if you have your exchange, if you're on Binance, if you're on Coinbase, I don't know if Coinbase does margin trade, but if your exchange does margin trade, if not, you can sign it. You can sign up, register. That's what I want to say with one of my links on the description. Okay. Um, but anyway, you go to margin trade, and if you don't know how to fuck around with that, you can go to YouTube and you can watch videos on how to make margin trades on your exchange. But I'm going to explain you the concept very easily, and you're going to understand because you're a smart person. You're investing money. You're smart. You're brilliant. Okay? So what do is you will get Bitcoin from your exchange. You will buy ADA because it looks oversold, and I'm going to show you how it looks oversold on the chart. And then you're just going to buy the Cardano, and the Cardano will just bounce because it's oversold, and then it's just going to gain value compared to Bitcoin, and then you're going to exit your trade by selling your Cardano and paying back the Bitcoin you own. Because by the time that you sell, Bitcoin is going to worth less than what you got it from, and Cardano will worth more than what you got it from. Then you made money. Brilliant. Okay? This you can do that looking at any oversold pair, comparing one cryptocurrency to the other. You can do that comparing pairs like Shiba, Ethereum. Yeah, that's how I've been. I shared that trade with some people, and they even went leverage on Cardano because they saw that. That's not what I wanted to show, but they went leverage and then got like 100% profits in I think a night, and that's amazing, right? That's just fucking amazing. My body just said thank you so much because when you told me that, I just put a trade and then I made some money. That's enough for me to pay for a hotel with my new girlfriend. So we're going to meet and travel. And now, and I'm saying, okay, bastard, donate me part of your profit, motherfucker. I'm just kidding. But anyway, let me show you now why Cardano is looking oversold. This is the 4 hour, but let me show you the daily chart. And you see, first sign of oversold shit is RSI getting extremely low. When I got into that trade, RSI was just right here. So you see that that's the daily chart. Okay, I just have a couple more days to pay back my dad on coin because I got a 7-day loan with a very, very low interest, fee. And as you see, trades just go doing absolutely amazing. Okay, for now. Okay, so I'm gonna just closing and like open another one. I'm gonna get a more durable, money borrowing, like for 15 days, maybe in 8 to 10 days, this trade is going to reach those levels here. Okay, and I'm expecting that to get to 0.00004 Bitcoin per Cardano. Okay, and that's number 2 trade that I wanted to show you. Number 4 is PayPal. No, that was number 2. Number 3 is PayPal. Okay, so what happened to PayPal? PayPal is accepting cryptocurrencies. It's just doing good. And we have here a situation in which we had a gap down. And those gap downs, they are majorly bearish, right? So, but fundamentally, PayPal is doing good. And we know that they're fucking around the cryptocurrencies and they are being majorly adopted, especially for people who are too conservative to have cryptocurrencies. They trust PayPal for some reason. They like paying fees to PayPal. Never mind, they just do. So what's my suggestion here? You see a lot of volume divided, more selling volume, but also a lot of buying volume, okay, right here on that indicator. And you see that the selling pressure is kind of exhausted right here, okay? So it just bursted the cloud here, and everything is looking so bearish at the daily that going to the 6 hour, I would definitely try, because it's oversold on the 6 hour, definitely try to put a very tight stop loss, something around 5%. Okay, if it goes down 5%, you're out of that trade because it's an extremely risky trade right now. But I do believe that this is going to reverse and find support on that EMA here, and it's going to end up beautifully, okay, for you. But would not suggest that you use leverage, just spot. If you can have the papers bought on the broker that you trade, as I have with Avenue. I have a broker called Avenue, and I can own I can be a shareholder of any asset that I want, and they don't do leverage, of course. They just sell you the paper, and it costs $1 for you to buy something, and there are no overnight fees, and you become a shareholder. Every time that you buy or sell, you give them around $1.30. I mean, that's so fucking amazing. So I've been just buying and forgetting about them. I don't have to be in a hurry to close any trades. So I just look at companies with potential, buy them, and just fucking leave it there. When the bull run is over, it's going to be a spot purchase, and I'm going there and I'm going to sell them and pay $1 something fee and get my money. That's it. So PayPal, I wanted to show, and I'm just going to show that Dixie kind of tumbled right here, but it's finding support on that EMA here and on that trend line here. So we can expect that to do like kind of this, which is going to be very good for cryptocurrencies. Keep an eye open, just in case. Okay, keep an eye open. Everything is looking very positive for stocks and crypto, except the fact that we have here on the daily bull divergency coming around on the RSI for the bonds, okay? And the bonds look stable for now, but keep your eyes open. Oh, yeah, I just remembered what I wanted to show, okay? It's the euro-dollar pair. You may see that breathe down a little bit, but it's looking bullish every day. Okay, so more and more the pair euro dollar is below. Look how many divergences we're having every time it dips further. It just creates a bull divergency on the other side. That's for the 6 hours. Okay, looking at the daily, we see a very big bull divergency and a pump. Okay, so I remember, don't buy the fucking pumps. You wait for the shit to cool down, right? This bot here means that I just swapped a lot of dollars for euros because I'm holding 50% dollars, 50% euros, and trading cryptocurrency pairs based on dollars and based on euro. So that's it. I hope you fucking make some money with those trades. Remember, if you lose, that's on you. I'm not a financial advisor, just like I'm super tired. I'm going to, you know what? Buy the